Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Hacks. Ever struggled with blurry videos or wished you could add pro-level edits in just a few taps? Today, we're checking out Wink, the AI-powered app that makes video editing effortless. Whether you're looking to upscale video quality, add auto captions, or refine your visuals with AI beauty tools, Wink has it all. And guess what? It's a fantastic alternative to CapCut. So, stick around as we explore its powerful features with a before and after comparison that will blow your mind. Before we begin, you can download Wink using the link in the description below. Now, let's jump right in. Once you open Wink, here's what the interface looks like. You'll see a variety of AI-powered tools, including Image Quality Enhancer AI Repair Fill, Light Super Resolution Meme Effects, AI Retouch and Makeup, AI Removal, AI Subtitles, Image to Video, and much more. At the bottom, we also have a Templates section where you can select pre-designed templates for quick and stylish video creation. Now let's check out some of Wink's most impressive features. First up, the Image Quality Enhancer. Let's click on it and you'll see different modes. General Mode, HD, Basic Restoration. Ultra HD, enhances portraits, landscapes, and food shots. Portrait Mode, keeps fine details like hair texture and skin grain intact. AI UHD, uses AI to fill in missing details, delivering exceptional clarity for portrait restoration. Scenario Mode, perfect for optimizing game images, product photos, and text-based images. Look at this, here's an ordinary photo, but with Wink's AI Ultra HD mode, boom, every detail pops. Here's a before and after comparison. See how much sharper and clearer it is. You can even see the fine strands of hair clearly. Crazy, right? Now, let's test AI UHD. And the result is even more impressive. You can save it instantly. Let's try another image, follow the same steps. And done. Next, let's check out AI Repair. This tool automatically applies the best AI restoration techniques, including color correction, brightness adjustment, noise reduction, resolution enhancement. Simply select an image, apply AI Repair, and let it work its magic. Now let's boost video and image resolution with Super Resolution. This feature enhances image clarity while maintaining quality. It's perfect for removing blurriness, restoring fine details, upscaling low-resolution videos, e.g. 1080p to 4K. Let's try it. Select a video. Choose 2K or 4K mode. Hit apply and save. Just like that, your video is now ready for large screens and YouTube uploads with crystal clear sharpness. Wink also offers an AI subtitle generator, perfect for adding auto-generated captions to your videos. Here's how. Open your video, select the original language, choose a secondary language for bilingual subtitles. Click Apply.
Hey everyone! I can't believe it, we hit 100,000 subscribers! A huge thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support.
And boom! Subtitles are automatically added. You can also customize font styles, add subtitle animations, download the final video. This feature is a game changer for content creators, making videos more accessible and engaging. Now, let's talk about Wink's professional-level video editing tools. Want to look flawless in videos? Wink's AI Retouch smooths skin, enhances features, and even lets you apply makeup filters. No extra apps needed. Cut and trim clips. Remove unwanted parts with precision. Change video speed. Speed up or slow down your clips. Add effects and sound. Apply filters, overlays, stickers, and background music. Watermark protection. Add your branding with ease. Once done, just save and download your masterpiece. Oh, there you have it. Wink, the all-in-one AI video editing app that makes content creation super easy. Ready to take your videos to the next level? Click the link below, download Wink, and start creating magic today. Whether you're looking to enhance image quality, upscale videos, add subtitles, or edit like a pro, Wink has got you covered. One-click AI restoration, high-quality video, and image enhancement pro editing tools with effects and templates. A great CapCut alternative. Don't forget to download Wink using the link in the description below and start creating stunning videos today. See you in the next video.